London is one of the most linguistically diverse cities in the world. Therefore, our students will be teaching students who come from anywhere around the world.
What stands out about our Masters in Teaching English to speakers of other languages is that there's a real balance between theory and practice. You have a go at learning about things, and then you have a go at putting things into practice. And then you get lots of feedback on this as well from your tutors at International House London.
The MA TESOL includes a comprehensive blend of interactive lectures, seminars, micro-teaching where students teach each other, and also a series of workshops that we organise to develop their skills. Not only do students graduate with an MA in TESOL, but they also obtain the Cambridge CELTA certificate as well, and this is one of the world's most renowned teaching practice certificates. The MA in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages is aimed at people who are new to teaching, so recent graduates and also career changers. It's also a programme which attracts more experienced teachers who don't have a formal qualification and would like to get a more practical experience with that as well.
What really drew me to King's, I think it's small class sizes because it could really let me have this meaningful interaction with both tutors and my classmates.
We make sure our students are really prepared before they go in to teach any students, so we don't plunge you straight in. We get students to experience what it's like to try out different activities and to reflect on them and to evaluate them.
During this course, I learned a lot of techniques from the classroom management and lesson planning. I will definitely apply these kind of techniques to my future career.
We have a very diverse cohort of students on the MA TESOL, and after graduation they go to teach in many different locations around the world.
Being located in central London is a huge bonus too. You can experience a bit of everything.
This course helps me become more proactive thanks to the supportive tutors.
I would really recommend you to come to MA TESOL in King's because I really had great experience here and made loads of international friends and still got great connection with university. And yeah, I'm trying to build up my future career here. So definitely come to MA TESOL in King's.